Hi, my name is Don Jessup. I'm the owner of Silicon Valley Associates. We're a residential real estate company right here in the Silicon Valley, and welcome to our weekly show. We're honored today to have Dan Lawson from Prospect Mortgage with us today to talk about how to make your experience in buying a home a better one. Dan, thank you so much for coming on to the show.
Well, thank you, Don. I'm happy to be here and share some ideas and tips on how to create a better home buying experience for people looking to purchase a home. And this is a very challenging market. So one of the things I find very interesting is most people and most clients that I speak to have this impression that lenders are really the bad guy and they're trying to make it very, very difficult for people to get a loan. And I'm here to say that is not the case at all. Lenders give us all the rules and guidelines that we need so we can tell you yes every time with loan approval. Now, an important step to this entire process is to get pre-approved. And what I mean by pre-approval is meeting with a mortgage planner and a mortgage professional to share all of your information, have them do an analysis to help you understand what your options are, your affordability, way and well before you're out looking for a home. Now, I realize the process can be complex and challenging at times, but at the core, with all lenders, they look at three factors, and they're very basic. It's income, credit, and cash. Now, the process gets a lot more complex than that, but it really is those basic things. And from those basic factors, I develop a strategy and a plan with our client to help them match their purchase price and payment to their financial comfort and affordability. So as a mortgage planner, I go much deeper than rates and points or cash to close or this program or that program. Of course, these are very important, but there's so much more to consider. For example, we take a strategic approach of evaluating our clients' risk tolerance goals and time horizons, then offer loan products that match their financial objectives. And by following this strategic plan we've created with our client, the process of buying a home becomes a more relaxed experience because the buyer knows what to expect each step of the way. The final outcome is the client feels more comfortable and in control through the process, which creates a more pleasant experience while buying a home. And at the end of each transaction, my goal and the goal of my team is to every client say to me, Dan, this was a lot easier than I expected it to be. And that's my tip for the day.
Well, Dan, thank you for coming on. We know that mortgages are the most important part of making a smooth transaction. We appreciate you being a mortgage planner as opposed to just a mortgage broker.
That was my pleasure.
Yeah, thank you for coming on the show.
You're welcome.
And thank you for being a part of our weekly show. Again, my name is Don Jessup. I'm the owner of Silicon Valley Associates, and we'll see you next week.